I love strawberries. Today I'm going to share a gardening tip with you. Tea tree oil, diluted in water, to get the fungus off my strawberry plants so that I can enjoy wonderful strawberries. My strawberry plants, on first appearance, they look very healthy. The leaves are big and strong and dark green. But on closer examination, I'm seeing there is some kind of a fungus growing at the base. I see see that fungus? We have a fungus among us. And that concerns me. That might kill the plants. So I'm going to try something. The soil that I used in here came from the bottom of the ash pile. I don't know if there's, some, that's where we burn like the leaves and the tree limbs and just junk from the yard. So I don't know if I probably should show you some more of this. There's a bunch of it. Like every single plant has got some of this white mold of some sort of a fungus growing at the base of the plant. And if I leave it unchecked, it's probably going to just keep spreading and growing. Now see, it's on the soil, this white stuff. Oh look, there's a ladybug. There it is. We have a ladybug. There's a lot of it. There's more. All over the place. It's like every plant has got it on the base. Dead leaves, but you get those dead leaves too. Normally, see, it's there. So I'm going to try a natural treatment to hopefully kill this fungus. It won't hurt my plants because I am an organic gardener. I don't like to use chemicals because I think the chemicals can have a bad effect on our health. So I don't ever use chemicals in my garden. I mean, the plants look beautiful, healthy, except for that fungus. I have here a bottle of tea tree oil. Melaleuca is the same name as tea tree oil. I'm looking in my book, and it says that it's useful for cuts, wounds, bacteria, viruses, diarrhea, cankers, cold sores, athlete's foot, candida issues, sore throat, tonsillitis. It could help with dandruff, scabies, lice, ear infections, shock. It can help with acne, pink eye, staph infection, and MRSA, bronchitis, cold and flu. It can help with hives, rashes, itchy eyes, cavities, gum disease, emotional balance. So I'm going to try this on my strawberry plants. So I have here just a spray bottle, and it only has water in it. I'm going to take some tea tree oil. I don't know how much to put in. I'm going to put about 10 drops, see if that's enough. And I'm going to spray this at the base of the plants. And then we will record what happens in a few days. I'll check it every day and we'll see if that will kill the fungus on the base of my strawberry plants. Now I don't want to spray it at the leaves. I want to target right down at the base because this it could cause a bad effect on the leaves with the sun. So I want to aim for the stems and the base, where I'm seeing this fungus growing. Yeah, see how these leaves right here underneath are turning yellow? And right here, these leaves, they start dying at the base. I'm going to take out that yellow leaf. And this one's turning brown. I'm seeing a lot of leaves at the base. There's another one that's dead. See, I'm going to take off these leaves that look like they're dying. I mean, typically it does, have leaves that get old and die, but I don't know if this is from the fungus. When you spray, just move your plant out of the way to expose the roots, and then spray right at the roots. Try to avoid spraying on the leaves themselves. I will keep an eye on this and come back to it this afternoon to see how, once the sun is directly on it, if that bothers it. And I will check it in a few days and we'll see if the fungus dies away. But I've sprayed the base of each plant, and my bottle was a little tall. It would have been better to have a shorter bottle so it'd be easier to get in there. So, and I might spray it again another day, but I'll keep an eye on it and keep you posted. See how this works. I am a wellness advocate with Doterra essential oils. I will post the link to my website on this video and below the link as well. My strawberry plants are doing very well. I mean, look how robust they are. Nice green color. Now let's look inside. Do we have any mold? Don't see any mold. So I used 2 treatments of the tea tree oil. I sprayed them one day and came out and checked on them. Sprayed them a second day, came out the third day, and there's nothing. And it's actually been probably a couple of weeks. The plants have grown quite a bit, and I haven't had any more issues with mold. It must have been something in the ash from the soil that we put in here, but yeah, that took care of the fungus. And the plants are looking very healthy. And I didn't have to use any chemicals. Obviously, I have not hurt my plants. Look how healthy they are. They're bursting with life. We don't have to live our lives with chemicals. There are natural alternatives. And tea tree oil did the trick for getting rid of the fungus at the base of my strawberry plants. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching.